Hey, this is the CNC machine I have for sale. The overall footprint is 10 long, 5 across. Bracket pinion drives, X and Y. It's a timing belt drive from the X and Y motors. Crosslink connects the two sides. Z-axis is an Acme thread with an anti-backlash nut down below. The linear motion bearings are from a kit. They're skateboard bearings designed to clamp on this piece of cold rolled. Cold rolled is bolted to the structural steel. It's all channel, 5-inch channel, I believe. The table is MDF beams, 2 layers of MDF on the top. The spoil board. You got vacuum access underneath. You put a gasket over here. The air sucks down below and holds the blank in place while it's carved. This is a jig I have for vacuuming down long boards to make growth chart rulers. Cables are tied over there. That arm pulls the cable back when it travels across. The tape's just to let me know the motors are moving. The spindle right now is a 3.5-inch diameter base router that's mounted in this bracket. It can be changed out for any router that you can find on the market. You can mount a plasma head or anything like that to the head. Moves in 3 axes. The vacuum hold down system. It's run by this compressor. 4th axis is this lathe. There's a sprocket inside the head that's keyed in. The 4th motor mounts to that pedestal beside it. The chain drive runs the rotation as it's carving. So this lathe mounts in this section, so that beam just pulls out. You set the lathe body down in there and then align it with the Y-axis, and then mount your materials and you can go to town. Made a couple guitars and guitar necks in there. Two motion bearings, one on either side for X. One on the top, one on the bottom for Y, and one on either side for Z. 6 and spaced out to allow access to get your wrench in there and give you enough room to get the precision nut. I've got enough bearings for another change. It can all be changed out. We got timing belts and anti-backlash nuts to spare. So this is the main control hub. You've got medical grade power supply, 48 volt DC. Down below you've got the Gecko Drive G540. Got 4-axis control on there. You can control the spindle through this through programming. And then just your standard computer. It comes with Mach 3 and Aspire. And keyboard, mouse, and all that. Well, I think that's it. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, let me know. Thanks.